Good morning. My name is Angel Washington, Director of FEMA, coming to discuss a very important matter that affects thousands. First, I would like to apologize for the situation that has taken place. I can assure you that we are working quickly and efficiently to make sure everything and everyone that has been affected receives proper treatment. I would like to address the influenza vaccine that was put in place this year. As many of you know, this vaccine was released to the public and was highly recommended this past September. We have just been made aware that half of those doses of the synthetic vaccine have been found to mutate when contacted with the body's T cells within 30 days of injection. Some of the symptoms that are associated with this include diarrhea, high fever, headache, and vomiting. As this vaccine continues to progress, the symptoms change as well. Within 3 to 5 days, the nervous system is attacked and it can cause paralysis or death. As of today, case studies show that 256,987 people have been affected with paralysis, while 52,267 cases of death have been present in multiple states. This news hits our nation hard, and we have discovered after thousands of reports were made to the CDC of mystery disease. As we discuss the policy that was put in place and will be put in place, I will need for you to reach out to this hotline, 1-800-VACCINES. That's 1-800-822-2463 to discuss your symptoms if you are in or any of the following states listed below. As I run through these states listed below, please listen carefully. Maine, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, Vermont, New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, Michigan, Indiana, Indianapolis, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Nebraska, Kansas, North Dakota, and South Dakota. Based on the details listed above, if you have had any or are experienced any of the symptoms listed above, please call the hotline immediately. FEMA has made sure enough staffing is in place to direct you on the next step you should have taken or you need to take. We have also partnered with healthcare facilities and urgent cares in every state to ensure that each individual that has been affected is able to receive care. What we have decided to do to mitigate this situation is to constrain all influenza vaccines that were produced in September. We are also getting a list from all physician offices, pharmacies, hospitals, and clinics of the data showing how many shots were administered from these batches so that we can contact anyone to make them aware in the event that they do not receive this message. We have been working closely with physicians on what booster vaccine can be given to offset some of these symptoms so that the vaccine is no longer live in your body. Many of you may be wondering which organization is responsible for this. While there isn't one direct person to point the finger to, since many areas were involved, some of the responsibility does lie on the pharmaceutical companies that dispense these as well as the FDA that approve the drug. The population that is most at risk includes infant to children and elderly adults, since this vaccine is highly recommended and required for these age groups. As we have addressed a lot of the most important things that we need to discuss today, I understand that your first concern at this point is your health. Trust and believe we will get through this tragic situation and are working diligently to ensure those who are impacted receive the emergent and proper treatment needed. Before closing, please know that we apologize again here at FEMA. Please keep a close eye on all of your symptoms that you may be experiencing. And if you feel you are in immediate danger, please go to your local hospital or call 911. I will be keeping a close eye on this and will be sure to continue to update you and the public as needed when more information is provided regarding this case. Thank you again for listening, and I will keep you updated. Bye-bye.